Welcome to this tutorial over deleting student assessment data in Aware. Before we get started, a few reminders. For best results, use Google Chrome or Firefox when accessing Aware. For full functionality of Aware, do not use the PISD portal for access. Access Aware by typing the link below directly into your browser. Before deleting student assessment data, please consider the following. Once student data has been deleted, it can no longer be retrieved. Student data for campus-created assessments can be deleted at the campus level. Student data for district assessments cannot be deleted at the campus level. To request student data be deleted from a district assessment, please contact your level data specialist for instructions. Be prepared to provide the name of the assessment, student name, and student ID number. To protect student identity, this will not be a live demonstration. In this example, we will delete a student score from a school assessment. Step 1. Navigate to the Assessment tab and drill down to the location where you have saved the assessment. Once you have opened the assessment, click on the Administration tab. Then click Delete Answer Sheet. Clicking Delete Answer Sheet will take you to a list of entries that are available for removal. Select the students that you need to delete by checking the box next to their name. This blue box will not normally be present on your screen. The box is present here to protect students' personal information. To locate students more efficiently, press and hold down the Control key and press F. A search box will appear. You can type in a student ID number or name into the box. This will save you time, but is not required. You can select multiple students at the same time. Once you have selected the students, click Remove. Once you click Remove, a message will appear prompting you to confirm that you want to remove the entries. Click OK to confirm the entries, and then they will be removed. If you need additional assistance on this topic, please contact your level data specialist. For high school, James Early. For middle and intermediate school, Chrissy Dollins. For elementary school, Darcy Hurd. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.